Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to loop a song on SoundCloud. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, just go ahead and open the SoundCloud app. Let's say you want to actually play a song constantly in a loop format without having to shuffle other songs. Just go ahead and play that song. First of all, as you can see, I'll just play the song over here. Now let's say I want this to loop over and over again. Right over here at the bottom, you can see three icons, share icon. This horizontal lines. You have to select the second last icon, which in this horizontal lines over here. Just tap on it, and then here you can see the song that I'm currently playing. Because you can see the now playing status, or you can actually choose other songs from the playlist that you actually want to go ahead and play in a constant look. So once you select the song that I want to play in loop, all I have to do is just tap on the loop icon from the top right. You can see this arrow. Just tap on it, and once you actually select that option, and then you check it, you can see the songs will actually play in a repeat format, which is going to loop itself over and over again. If you want to unloop it, just select it and then uncheck it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.